Hello guys, what's up? It's me Udav Saraswat. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to see how we can install MongoDB and how we can install Mongo Compass. So Mongo Compass is nothing but a client which will help us interact with the MongoDB. So we will be installing these two softwares in today's video because in the next video which we are going to cover, that is creating a basic REST API, and that we will be using JSON data and we will be storing into MongoDBs. So for that it is required that we install MongoDB and Mongo Compass first. So let's do it now. So we will go to Google and type download MongoDB. Okay guys, so here we will go to the second website, which is MongoDB community server download. We will click on that, and once we are here we will scroll down and until you see this. So here we have to select the version, let it be the default one only, and platform, you can change your platform from here. If you are using Mac OS or something, you can change it from here. We are on Windows platform, so packaging will be MSI. We want a installer for this particular software, so we will click on download after that. Okay, so it is getting downloaded. Okay guys, so our setup for MongoDB has been downloaded. So let us run that and install MongoDB in our system. So we will be requiring MongoDB server and MongoDB Compass for connecting to that server. So these two things we have to do, and we will go for complete installation, and we will run MongoDB as a service, and we will select run service as a network service user. Okay. After that, there is a checkbox install MongoDB Compass. Make sure you click a right on this one. Okay, this we will need to connect to the MongoDB. So make sure you check this box. Okay. After that, we will wait for it to get installed. Okay guys, so our server and Compass installation has been done. So let's finish this and let's check if our MongoDB is running or not. So in our Compass, this is the interface of the MongoDB Compass. So using this, we will give the URI here and we can connect to the database. So if it is a local database, then we have to give like that MongoDB, then localhost, and then then port number. And if it is hosted on a cloud, then we have to give cloud details over here. Okay. So let's click on connect. So we are having a sample database over here, and inside that we are having a collection which is having this particular value ID and key. So our installation is successful. We have successfully installed MongoDB server and MongoDB Compass. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Go ahead and install this MongoDB Compass and MongoDB server. We will be using this MongoDB in our next sessions when we will be creating a REST API. Okay, till then, see you in the next video.